The Nissan Titan XD presents significant mechanical challenges, including engine failures and exorbitant repair costs. These issues render it a precarious investment for potential buyers. Moreover, both the Titan XD and Colorado experience considerable depreciation, leading to unfavorable resale values. This factor complicates the financial landscape for their owners. In addition, the Chevrolet Colorado has faced notable transmission and power steering failures, resulting in safety recalls. This raises concerns about its long-term reliability and ownership costs. Furthermore, neglecting regular oil changes and relying on low-quality lubricants can lead to sludge buildup, which jeopardizes vital engine components, such as the camshaft phaser. Therefore, consistent maintenance is essential for engine endurance. Additionally, the two-piece spark plug design in the 5.4-liter engine often leads to blowouts, incurring hefty repair expenses for owners. This design flaw has become a pervasive issue. Meanwhile, head gasket leaks and transmission problems further tarnish the F-150's reliability reputation, prompting many owners to express their frustrations online. For some, selling the truck becomes a tempting option. The Mercedes-Benz X-Class serves as a cautionary example, reminding us that even luxury automotive brands can struggle with reliability. Prospective buyers should weigh their options carefully. The GMC Canyon has been compromised by serious issues like transmission failures and engine explosions, leading to a frustrating experience for its owners. This leaves many questioning its overall reliability. Similarly, Lordstown Motors Endurance grapples with challenges in earning consumer confidence due to production delays and unproven technology. Such circumstances might discourage early adopters in the electric pickup segment. Furthermore, the financial instability surrounding Lordstown Motors raises doubts about its capacity to provide adequate support and service for the Endurance. This uncertainty can lead to buyer's remorse. Production delays only intensify skepticism regarding the manufacturer's ability to deliver a dependable product. These setbacks can undermine consumer confidence in the vehicle's performance. The Endurance's lack of a solid support structure, coupled with its precarious financial situation, turns it into a risky investment. Buyers should prioritize reliability and proven performance in their vehicle choices. Turning to the Tacoma, its electrical systems exhibit multiple problems, including infotainment glitches and erratic headlight failures. Many owners express frustration, hoping for better performance. Moreover, engine issues have emerged in both trucks, with reports of noisy tapping and sluggish throttle response in the Tacoma. These concerns suggest potential for costly repairs. Both vehicles also draw criticism for their outdated infotainment systems and a lack of advanced safety features relative to competition. This technological shortfall detracts from their market attractiveness. Lastly, the Ford Ranger encounters similar reliability complaints, encompassing transmission and engine failures. These issues have contributed to poor consumer survey ratings and multiple recalls.